Okay, last time we defined a company in financial accounting, define company, and that was T59 Tamil Tiger, T59A. Next step is company code. Edit company code data. We can also copy it, but once it is made, then uh, T59, let's say U. Okay. So this T59 Taming Tiger UAE. Okay. City, Dubai, AE currency, AED, English, save, AE. So first we created a company. Now we have created a company code.
Right.
Now next step is valuation level. Valuation area is all by default a plant. Create a plant. Define plant. New entries T59U. T59U taming tiger. Plant taming tiger. And save. Okay, we have created a plant. Next is location. New entries. Plant is T59U. Location Sharjah T59U. AE. Enter. Save. So we are defining all the things in our enterprise. Okay. Division. Now, what is a division? A division is your, it can be geographical division or product division. For example, we can take a division like T or let's say U for UAE and can, what can be the E59U are cleaner. Okay, this is your product division. We will define all of this. Location plant, all in logistics. Materials management, storage location, T59U. New entries, Sharjah, TXB Dubai. Save, save. Purchase organization, new entries, T59U, T59U, taming tiger, save. Okay, this is done. Sales organization, new entries, T59U, T59U, sales org, ED, T59U, plant T59U, and storage location, Sharjah, save, continue, AE, enter. Okay. Distribution channel. Now, distribution channel can be your physical location or your product. Entry, let's say you see T59U power cleaner, save, distribution channel is created. So under sales, you have distribution channel, sales office. Okay, new entries. Let's say T59US. T59S is Sharjah sales office. T59D is Dubai sales office. AE, 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 save, sales group, new entries. Sales group can be um, CR corporate, T59U, and retail, T59U, save, save. Okay, next step is easy. Assign company, code to company, T59 and T59A. Mother company assigned to company code. It says company currency differs from company code currency. Okay. So just press enter. It will go away. The warning is just orange warning, nothing to worry about. Logistics, assign plant to company code. Company code T59U, T59U. Save. So we are assigning company code to plant. Sign. Sales distribution, sales org to company code T59U. Company code T59U. Sign distribution channel. Distribution channel will be T59U. Okay, new entries. T59U distribution channel is UC. T59U UC. Enter. Save. Division to sales org. New entries. T59U division. Oh, assign distribution channel. T59U. They've assigned car cleaner. Assign division. T59U CR. T59U SR. Okay, division. Division. T59 UC. Okay, UC. UC. Set up sales area. New entries. T59U distribution channel. T59U. Okay, distribution channel and division. Save. Save. Set up sales area. Assign sales office sales area. Sales office. T59U distribution channel. UC. UC. Division. UC. T59U. T59 Dubai. T59U UC T59S. Sales office, sales group to sales office. T59 Sharjah. Sales group. Nine. Corporate. T59S. SR. T50 T50 T59B. CR. T59D. T T T59B. SR. So what we're doing, Sharjah and Dubai office will handle corporate sales and retail sales. Both will handle retail and corporate sales. Okay, of car cleaner division. That's how you create multiple divisions for multiple products. You can do that. And same is the case with distribution. Assign sales organization to plant. We have one plant, so we will sales are 259U, distribution channel car cleaner, plant is T59U, save. Okay. Assign purchasing org to company code T59U, T59U, save. So purchasing organization is connected with company code. It reports to company code. Okay. Assign purchasing organization to plant. So company code and plant both can have purchase organization. T59, T59U, T59U. Standard T59, T59U. This is standard main. Okay. So this is for today.